Hi guys, and welcome back to this tutorial. So again, in the previous section we've created a script called timer that was basically displaying the value of a timer in the console window, and whenever this timer has reached 120 seconds, so 2 minutes, we will basically load a new level, the same level, so we call collecting boxes. So what we'll do now is that we're going to apply this concept to the actual game that we plan on creating. So again, we're going to go back to Unity, and the first thing is if you look at the assets, so again, if you look at the assets there, and you should have two levels, so level 1 and level 2. So again, as I mentioned before, level 1 is a maze. Yes, I want to save, yes. And level 2 is an island. And again, we saw that in the previous section. So the idea really will be to look at level 1 and create a timer that will be displayed in level 1. So when you open level 1, again, all this project is available in the resources. If you download them and unzip them, you should be able to open this project if you have not already done so. Again, in this project, you have what is called level 1, and then you have the maze itself. Again, the maze includes different walls and a first-person controller that you can use to navigate. So that's the very first thing. So the next thing that we will do is to start to create a new timer. So again, we're going to go to game object, create empty, and I'm going to call that timer. Okay, and again, because we have created a script that called timer earlier on, we're gonna link this script to yeah, we're going to link this script to the timer. So again, I'm going to add component, and again, I'm going to remove whatever is in the search window. If I put timer, you can see that it can find the script called timer. So again, I'm going to select that, which means that now the script called timer is linked to my um, to my object here. So now I still haven't actually created my user interface yet, but just to check that this is working, if I play my scene, what I should see in the console window is the value of my timer. So again, you can see that the timer is actually displayed right there. Can you see that? It's displayed here. So the next step for us will be to start creating the user interface for the timer, and then to display this information on screen. So again, I'm going to do that in the next section.